5 study habits of toppers. Toppers follow a consistent daily schedule. They study at the same time every day, which helps them build discipline and habit. They also manage their time smartly. They divide their day using the 80-20 rule, which means they spend more time on difficult or high-weighted subjects, a technique called Pomodoro, which is 25 minutes of intense study followed by 5 minutes of break. Toppers don't just read their textbooks. They use smart study techniques like revision notes, mind maps, flashcards, and past paper solving. This helps them to remember what they study and understand it better. They also take short breaks in between their study sessions to avoid burnout and stay fresh. Then they work on improving those areas through practice and feedback. Finally, toppers regularly assess themselves by taking tests and identifying their weak areas